Delivery!
Is it Santa Claus with my video game?
Sir, I'm not Santa Claus.
Then you can go away. I want my PS5.
Kid, my mom's coming today. Call me when she gets here.
Okay then. Yes! Grandma coming! Let's have mommy! Nick, you taught me not to swear, to be polite.
Yes, Chico, you were a cool parrot.
But can I say you're pooping?
Oh no, Chico.
Delivery!
Sir, is it coffee?
Sir, I don't think so. The box is big.
Then you can go away. I only accept it if it's coffee. Say, I met your mother-in-law yesterday.
So, did you like her?
I liked her, but she blocked me. She talks more than me on WhatsApp. I'm angry. There was a man here and he didn't bring my coffee. I told him to leave.
Chico can't. It's my merchandise. That's why my orders are being returned.